इंश्योरेंस आजकल बहुत सारे लोग निगलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो मैं ना मेरा एक स्टोरी शेयर करता हूँ कि मैंने हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लिया हुआ है और मैंने वो अभी लिया बाय द वे 6 महीने पहले। एंड 6 महीने 1 साल हो गया अभी, एक्चुअली 1 साल हो गया, फेब में लिया था मेरे बर्थडे पे, लास्ट फेब में। एंड इनफैक्ट मेरा तो एक्सीडेंट भी हुआ था अगस्त में, एंड आई हैड अ बिल ऑफ 1.65 lakhs फॉर 2 days। तो वो पूरा क्लेम तो हो गया, बट आई रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कि यार बहुत, मतलब मेरे को लगता है मैंने भी लेट लिया, 25 की उम्र में लिया मैंने। एंड टर्म इंश्योरेंस एक्चुअली अभी मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज, और अभी मैंने ऐसा मन बनाया कि अभी मेरे को नहीं लेना है, ठीक है। सो नाउ यू हैव टू कन्विंस मी दैट व्हाई शुड आई टेक अ टर्म इंश्योरेंस, एंड जो लोग हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं ले रहे उनको कन्विंस करना है कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस क्यों लेना है।
ओके, आई एम बैड एट सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग, बट ओके, आई विल ट्राई।
बट आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू सेड राइट, कि सबको टर्म इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए, करेक्ट? हाँ, तो मेरे को नहीं लेना है, मतलब ऐसा है। तो लाइक लेट्स हैव अ डिबेट हियर।
सो टेक्निकली आपको टर्म इंश्योरेंस की जरूरत तब है व्हेन यू हैव डिपेंडेंट्स, टेक्निकली। सो इफ समवन हैज नॉन अर्निंग डिपेंडेंट्स, retired parents, children, spouse who doesn't work, then तो लेना ही है, क्योंकि अगर आपको कुछ हो गया तो if you are the sole earning member and that earning is gone, families are destroyed. But if I assume about you that you don't have dependents, so why should you take? Is because term insurance is a product where, unlike health insurance, your premium is not revised every year. You don't sign a fresh contract every year. So if you are 25 and you decide to take a term plan up to 65, 70 years, for the next 40, 45 years, your term insurance premium will be what you pay today.
Oh, okay.
And it will be much lower because you are healthier. So from the insurance manufacturer's point of view, they are compensating for higher risk at say 50 to 70 by extracting premium from you when you are a very, very low risk candidate, say 25 to 45. So which is why your premium, your risk is spread out in two zones: lower risk zone where they earn more, and higher risk zone where disproportionately you earn more. If you try to take it after say 30, 35, 45, insurance company says, okay, you did not pay us money when you were a low risk candidate. Now you are entering because you are a moderate risk candidate. So let us charge you a much, much higher premium because we never earned from you when you were a low risk candidate. That's one. Second is because your premium is fixed today, and say it comes out to be today, it should be, if you take a 1 crore premium, it should be around 15,000 rupees. Even after 15 years, when you pay 15,000 rupees, it will be peanuts because your earnings are increasing, but your premium, even after 40 years, you will be paying 15,000 rupees. So life insurance is one instrument where you should go for a higher cover amount, even if the premium slightly pinches you in the first few years, because it will stop pinching after 5 years. But you will get a better coverage. Your coverage should be good enough to adjust for inflation, because this is a plan that you will be staying with for 30, 40, 50 years. So whether this amount will be sufficient then or not, even if it pinches you in the first 5 years. So that is important.
But my thesis or my philosophy is that I am not married right now. I don't have children. I don't have any dependents. So let's say 5 years down the line, जब ये सब हो जाएगा, 10 years down the line, तो तब ले लूँगा मैं, ऐसे मैं सोचता हूँ.
ठीक है.
तो is that wrong?
But the premium will rise, right? It's not that you will still on an aggregate basis. Say instead of, say your life insurance would be up to 65 years, assuming. So instead of, if you decide I will not pay my premium for 40 years, I'll pay for 35 years. The point is you will probably pay equal premium regardless, or maybe more. Your overall sum paid in the next 40 years will either be same or maybe slightly more. So you don't end up, either if you've decided I'll never marry, then it can make sense. But otherwise it doesn't make, you don't save anything by prolonging it.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.